Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm out here, as you can see, with my GoPro Hero Black 7. I've got the Instamic connected to the Shorty that I got with the GoPro Hero 7, and I just wanted to see how it would work as compared to putting it on my chest. So it's nice. It gives me the wireless setup for doing my videos, and then with the editing software, when I'm done with the video, I stitch the audio up, as it cannot be used as a default microphone. What I have the microphone, as you can see, it's in the upright position. I am now going to flip it upside down because I just wanted to hear the difference in sound, if at all. And there you go. You can see the difference of the distance, I should say, of how far back it is from my voice. And hopefully this might help. So I am doing this quick video so you get an idea of what the Instamic can do, not only wearing it on your shirt, but also attaching it as I have now. And this could be a really nice way to go. So it's nice and small. You don't have to carry a big microphone, and the voice quality sounds great. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.